Many YouTube creators, especially new beginners, said to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube is nearly impossible. In fact, they said it is very, very difficult. Most of them have been on YouTube for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 years and they are stuck below 4,000 watch hours. If you are part of them, you need to watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to explain and show you on how you can complete 4,000 watch hours on YouTube very fast in 2026. If you are new here, welcome to White Tech Consult. This channel is dedicated to helping small content creators to grow on YouTube with practical strategies, channel growth tips, and other proven ways to grow faster without wasting time. If this sounds like something you want for your channel, go ahead and subscribe below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do when you are starting out your YouTube channel is to identify the purpose of your channel and your competitor. Those are the two important things. Know what you want to post. For example, you can decide to post a Christian content in a Christian niche, and once you know that, then you look for competitor that is doing similar thing. Let's pick Bible verses or money prayer as an example. If you decide to probably post about Bible verses and explain Bible verses to people, you have to go to YouTube and search for competitor that is doing same thing. Then you look at that competitor, you watch videos of that competitor to know what the competitor is targeting. So targeting is very, very important. The audience of your competitor, what your competitor is doing to target that audience. And don't just go for any channel, go for successful channel. I want you to look at my screen here so that you understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to quickly go to youtube.com and look for a particular competitor now that posts Bible verses, for example, and money prayer. So then I will analyze the competitor and I'll be able to know how the competitor target audience, the length of that competitor's video. All this information will make me know what to do on my channel. We are not saying you should copy blindly, but we just want to get a guide from our competitor. Search for Bible verses. Bible verses. So once you search for Bible verses, it's going to give you a list of videos. And once you have this video, make sure you pick the best one. So keep scrolling and you can pick any of these that is okay. Or let's say verse of the day, Bible verses of the day. So let's go to Bible verses of the day. So you can scroll down and check all this. You can pick like 3 to 4 different channels. So I've picked this one and this one. So you are not watching this video, you are looking at the channel. Now I want you to look at this channel here. You will see that we have videos and the length of their video is 4 minutes, 30 seconds, 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 seconds, and so on and so forth. So you know that, okay, this is exactly kind of content I want to post. Okay, then you look at their thumbnail and also watch their video, so you understand what they are doing on their channel. Now look at their title, how they structure their title, and look at how they write their description, and in their description they put tags. So make sure you notice all this and make sure this channel is a good channel that is monetized. I have a software called Nestlef that I use to detect if a channel is monetized or not. So once you have that, then you know how you want to create your own video too. So you follow their step, but do not copy blindly. So once you have this, then you can start posting videos. So I'm going to show you my channel here. So I'm posting videos of 8 minutes, 9 minutes long, not 4 minutes. If you look at their video here, they are posting like 4 minutes video. But on my channel, I'm posting 8 minutes video. Now, the reason is that this will make me get 4,000 watch hour very, very fast. And sometimes I can use that description to structure my own description because we are creating similar content. And if you look at their video here, you will see verse of the day, verse of the day, verse of the day. That means they target this keyword verse of the day in all of their video. So, and if you look at my video here, you will see verse of the day, and if you hover on this, you also see verse of the day. Our title is different, but we keep verse of the day. So those are, so you look at what your competitor is doing that keep repeating, and why your competitor is repeating such keyword or such video or such description or such keyword list. So make sure you study your competitor. So this is the fastest way to get 4,000 watch hours. Now the second thing you need to notice, which is the length of their video. Now the reason why I'm using 8 minutes is that when you have longer video, you can get 4,000 watch hour very fast. Now this channel you're looking at, it has like 3,000, 5,000 views. If I go to my old listing when I got started, and this is not by mistake, but when I got to a stage of monetization, YouTube demonetized my channel, so I have to start all over, and I'm going to build this channel back to where I started from. If you look at this, I have 44.55. Can you see now I'm getting like 149, 224, 111. So it keeps increasing. So now if you look at my channel here, I want you to notice something. The importance of 4,000 watch hours, and how you can get it. If I go to analytics here, you will see that this video has just 225 views with 16.7 watch hours. Now let's go to engagement, because this is where you know if you are getting a good watch history or watch time. Look at this. Average view duration is what? 427. The video length is what? 8 minutes. That means people are watching half of my video length. So on YouTube, if you have 4 minutes video, expect them to be watching 2 minutes plus. If you have 20 minutes video, expect them to be watching 10 minutes plus on average, because it's not everybody that will watch your video. So on average, once you eat more than half, then that means your channel is doing well. And so now I have showed you what you need to do. You need to know the purpose of your channel, identify your competitors, make long video. Then the fourth one, which is very, very important, which I reserve to the end of this video for those people who have been following me, post every day. Yes, that's the secret sauce. Once you can identify the purpose of your channel, you pick a very good competitor and you make a reasonable long video, 8 minutes, 15 minutes, then post every day. Now I noticed that if you post twice in a week, it's not enough. The audience is not going to resonate with your content very well. Let's put it this way. Let's say you post today and I'm one of your viewer. I got to your channel and I saw that the channel is new. I watch your video. I don't know who you are. So next time I might not remember you again. I might just go to another random channel or another random video and watch. But if you post today and I watch your video, if that video is available, if you make a video, so once I saw your channel yesterday and I see it today, then tomorrow, next tomorrow, and I love your content, automatically I will keep visiting that channel because I already know that channel. Then make sure you do branding so that when your viewers see your video, your thumbnail, they already know it's you. Now that's the secret sauce. Post every day. Many people will say, oh, no, you can post twice in a week. No. If you want to go faster on YouTube, you post every day and make sure you brand your channel. Now let me give you a little story. There was a time when I started this channel, I started posting every day and I noticed my views keep going high and high. Now the reason for that is that many people have started watching my video on and on and on, and they are accustomed to this channel. But when I was hit with demonetization, I stopped posting. I post twice, thrice, once in a week, and I saw that many of my subscribers started leaving. The reason is that I was supposed to be giving them content every day, and I failed to do that. So when I resumed back, I started from here. Then from here, I started posting back to back, and you see how these views are increasing steadily. Now it will get to a time that those people will keep coming back. Now it's not just 10, 15, 30, 50 audience that are watching your video will make you get to 4,000 watch hours. But here's the secret. Now if you have like 30, 40 people that will just watch your video immediately when you post, then YouTube will keep recommending you to many viewers. That is the secret, because you need to capture audience that love your content first, and once you capture those audience, you post to them every day. They know your brand, they know your channel, then they will keep waiting for your video every day, and they keep watching your video, and YouTube will see that channel as a valuable channel, then it starts recommending it to others. So this is the secret. Even if you have a very good video, a very good content, and no one is watching it, YouTube will never recommend it. Personally, this is what I've used, and it has been working for me. I hope you are able to gain one or two in this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up, and ask questions in the comment section. If you have anything in your mind, let's rub minds together and let's build a better community. Thank you so much. Peace.